In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Canon Maxify GX5020 printer with a Windows laptop using the home or office Wi-Fi network. Now first step is to connect the printer to the Wi-Fi. So go to the printer display panel, click on the setting, select Wi-Fi setup, scroll ahead and click on the manual connect. Select your Wi-Fi network, use single router, select first MAC address. Now enter the password using the display panel. You can use this button to select numbers, alphabets, uppercase, special character. Press and hold the OK button. Click yes to apply. Printer is connected with the wireless network. Press OK and we can see the signal is available on the main screen. Now go to your Windows laptop. We have to download the drivers. So open the web browser. Type in Canon GX5020 driver. Select the Canon printer. Select Canon printer with the Canon website. On this screen, scroll down. You will see your printer. Click on the softwares and drivers. Automatically it will detect the operating system and you can just select the version of your Windows. Now the recommended one is the master setup. Click on the download. Open file. Click yes. In this small box, select the language. Press OK. Select your country of residence. That's our download window. We have to start the setup. So click on the start setup. Click yes for the terms and conditions. Agree with that. Make sure your printer is on. Click next. On the next screen, select your printer GX5000 series. Click next. It will display your printer is connecting via the Wi-Fi. Click continue. Printer is installed. Click on the test print. So that's the Windows test page. Printer is successfully installed. Click on the next. You can click on the go to website. You can go to the Canon website and you can register your printer. So that's the setup of the printer with the Windows laptop. Now we can start using it for printing. For example, I can just print a page. If I give a print command, this way we can do the setup of the printer with Windows laptop. You can do it same with the MacBook. Thanks for watching.